Hi, I'm Dea Lupu. I'm faculty at George Washington University. My whole professional life, I've devoted myself to trying to improve supportive care and end-of-life care for people, for my friends, for my family, for people I don't know. I've used the tools of public health. Public health helps us look at the whole population. So while clinicians go from looking at this patient to this patient to this patient, in public health, we're looking at how do we build the structures that can reliably deliver the kind of care that improves people's health, their lives. And what I focused on in particular is how do we improve that last chapter of people's lives? How do we help them write the chapter that they want to write? Because the end of the story matters. There was what I call the great black hole of need in nephrology. Patients were wanting something different, and the care team in nephrology mostly also wants something different. They have a sense that there's something missing. In fact, during this COVID pandemic time, I think this has been really highlighted in the sense that during the pandemic, at the beginning, medicine didn't know how to save people. We could put many people on respirators, but it didn't save all of them. And it became very clear that the science of medicine is very, very important, but it needs to partner with what we think of as the art, which is those healing arts. And one of the ancient healing arts is walking with people through the valley of death. So what we're trying to do at the coalition is we're trying to create, so this brings in my public health sense, we're trying to create the structures. So how do we need to change the reimbursement system? What kind of quality measurements will help us measure what matters to people, not just how their blood chemistry is doing. So we want to create those structures, and then we want to teach the care providers how to deliver this care, how to hold conversations that really help people articulate what matters to them, what worries them, what frightens them, what they really hope for. We often say it's like having a plan B, hope for the best and plan for the worst. We can hope that these medical treatments are going to sustain you for a long time and that you're going to feel well, but often we know that they don't sustain people forever, or that the kind of burdens of treatment will be very difficult for people to bear. I'm hoping that we can teach nephrology clinicians that it's not a scary thing, that they can open these conversations and that it will lead to them being able to care for their patients better.